quadratic trinomial binomial. So I'm going to show you how to factorize. I'm going to show you how to factorize. Now, in factorization, when you are given, suppose we want to factorize 10x square plus 17x plus 3. This is what we call quadratic trinomial because we have 1, 2, 3. We have 10x, we have 17x, and we have 3x. This is why we call it trinomial. It's called trinomial because we have 3 terms. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 terms. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to show you how to factorize. I'm going to show you how to factorize. Make sure you click the plus button. Follow me for more advanced mathematics tutorial. And you are welcome for more questions. You can ask me questions. Now, suppose you are given these 3 terms, which is called quadratic trinomial. How do you factorize? The first procedure now, you have to multiply the first time 10x with the last time 3. 10x squared multiplied by 3. We have 10x squared times 3, which will give you equals to 30x squared, which will give you equals to 30x squared. Then, which is equals to plus, it's a positive term, plus 3x squared. Now, the next procedure now, the next section we are going to consider now is we have to find the factors of 30x. Two numbers, when you multiply it together, it will give you 30x. That is, the product will give you 30x. And the sum will give you 17x. The sum will give you 17x. So what are those two numbers? We are going to consider it now. Now we have factors of plus 30 and their sum. Now we consider A. We have 6x and 5x. If you multiply these two together, 6x will give you plus 30x. But their sum will give you 11x. Then we have another consideration. We have 3x and 10x. 3x and 10x. If you multiply it together to give you 30x squared plus 30x squared. And if you sum it together, it will give you 13x. Then we have another one. 2x and 15x. If you sum it together, it will give you 17x. Multiply it together to give you 30x squared. You sum it together to give you 17 plus 17x, which is what you actually needed. Because according to the question, if you look at the question, the second middle term is 17x, which is what we actually needed. Then we're going to proceed now. We are going to use this one. We are going to use this term now. We are going to substitute it with this 17x. Then we have our equation. We have the the initial equation was 10x square plus 17x plus 3. Now we substitute that 17x with 2x plus 15x plus 3. 2x 15x plus 3. Then we now factorize, find the common factor. The common factor there is, we have here 2x, we have 5x plus 1 plus, here we have 3 is common, we have 5x plus 1. The the factors are now is 2x plus 3. Let me clean this one. We have 2x plus 3 and 5x plus 1. These are the factors. Then if you want to find the value of x, you say 2x plus 3 equals to 0. Then you subtract minus 3 from both sides. From both sides. Subtract minus 3 from both sides, which will give you 3 cancels 3 plus 3 minus 3 will give you 0. 2x equals to minus 3. You divide both sides by 2, which will give you x equals to minus 3 over 2. Now, we can do the same with 5x plus 1, which is equals to 0. We have 5x plus 1 minus 1 equals to minus 1, which will give you 5x equals to minus 1. Then x will give you minus 1 over 5. That's the solution. Then I want to give you a homework. I want you to try this one. Homework. Homework. Write it on the comment section, right? Solve this one, 2x minus 7x plus 3. And write it on the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to subscribe and add.